everybody. It's Sheila. So excited to see you. I just got out of that and I'm super hot. It's really hot here in the Panhandle of Florida. And I wanted to give you a quick tip. Grab out your Virage, and this is the mist, and use it inside and all around to help you stay fresh all day long. The second tip I have for you is your finishing spray for your hair and all over. It keeps you cool, a little less portable, but this is my Passion Body Spray. Okay, super simple to make this. I take a 2-ounce bottle and I grab just the sprayer part that fits on the bottle and 1 drop of ylang ylang, 1 drop of wild orange, 1 drop of clove, and 2 drops of geranium. Okay, fill that up with water, shake it, spray it all over, even in your hair, all over your body. Makes you feel good. Have a great day.